So now you have a firm grasp of all of the features to create a quiz. The next few features that we're going to look at, they wouldn't necessarily be used for a quiz, but they can help you gather other types of data. It could be used for formative assessment for you to gauge your next moves. So let's add new, and we're going to look at ranking. So this could be really useful to see if students have grasped the order of something. It can be used, for math. It can be used for science. For English, if there are certain steps that you want students, the process that you want students to do in a certain order, or for them to demonstrate that they know the order to follow. This is a cool way of identifying that. So you simply add your question. And if you notice, it gives you some instructions. So you set the options in the correct order. And when you share the quiz with your students, their order is going to be shuffled, and the students are going to have to demonstrate that they know the correct order. So once you've entered all of your options in order, then you can move on to the next question. And if you want to see what it's going to look like for the student, let's go look at what they see. So they've been shuffled. Okay, so let's go add another type of question. Now we're going to add net promoter score. This is generally if you want to see like how likely someone is to do something or another. So how likely are you to recommend using MS Forms? And then it's, you can, again, the same thing, likely, not likely, very little that you can do with this one. It's the same kind of principle where this isn't necessarily form, but it might be useful. How likely are you to use GeoGebra, for example, if you offer an app to the students? How likely are they to use that resource or another resource?